Hey all, Steve from GuitarNiche here. On the bench we have a lovely 2005 Gibson Les Paul Standard Plus in a Desert Burst. Beautiful top on that, eh? They're nice. Anyway, the subject of today's video has to do with this. As some of you may be aware, if you own these kinds of Gibson products with the flared headstock and all that, this can be a problematic area. The strings are flaring from the nut towards the outside. Problem persists, quite a bit with the outside strings, that is the D and the G. So we have the flare from the, the excursion from the nut, and it goes downward. So there's a lot of pressure, which is great for tone at the nut, but the extra friction doesn't help the cause of staying in tune. So we're going to look at our little hack. Let me see how our strings are wound from the top down. Now, you may or may not have guessed it by now, but what we're going to do is we are going to unwind the string. So you don't even have to put a new string on if you want to try this yourself. And we'll just unwind that and then convince the string to go above. Simple as that. So in the meantime, I'm just controlling the wraps here so that what we're doing at the end of the day, give that a little pinch to seat it. Beauty, great. Now the wraps are above. So now if we look at it from a technical point, let's say, get my tool here, we have gone from well below that center post line to above the center post. So that's about 1/8 of an inch, roughly, which can make all the difference in the world. Beauty. So this little bit of reduced tension may be able to save you some grief with tuning. Of course, the best cure overall is to have it properly set up by somebody who knows what they're doing and get the nut properly dressed out and looped up and all that kind of stuff. Whether this is permanent or not, I'm kind of 50-50 on it. I look at it like this. What we're doing by resituating the string on the post is we're just changing the friction point at the nut. Yes, it's reduced, and it could be the end all be all for your tuning woes. But eventually that is going to start to wear again or get used to being in that new situation. And you could wind up with the same situation. As the junk builds up, you get friction in there. So really another way to look at it is by changing the angle, we're out of the garbage that's already embedded in the slot of the nut, which is typically the case. So that's my point. Now, the other thing I want to mention is, so it's in tune, and a major reason why the strings go out of tune is because of this, because of the heat of your hands. I'll do that again. Okay, that was in tune, but see, now it's not. Until that string, the G string in this case, gets back up to its nominal temperature. So the way around that is just manipulate the guitar, play the guitar for a few minutes, tune it. Yeah, it might be, a stupid little thing. But then after that, if you're continually playing it should be fine. Simple as that. Anyway, that's pretty much my tip for the day. Very simple, very cost effective. No modifications required other than just changing the way you wrap your strings. This could be, appropriate for the D string, and less or so for the other strings. We'll call it a day. My name is Steve. Thanks again for coming out. Please like and subscribe. Keeps the wheels greased. And visit the description below in the video. There's some free resources there. There's also more stuff on my website at GuitarNiche.com. As always, play loud, have fun, have a great day. Cheers. See ya.